all the racing and training is all back on now, so it's been really good to have a few other boats out there to train with, and certainly very good to get out there for some races after such a long time without doing a proper start. It's not only the small boats that started back up, all the big boat racing has started back up as well. So we've been out on overdrive last night and it was just beautiful conditions out there. Weather was perfect. I look forward to improving a bit more now that sailing's all back up in full swing again.